Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about compounded continuously. So now I will show you how to answer. The question they mentioned, we need to find the time to make sure that the total of the money to be double with 5% annual compounded continuously. So we have future value equals to B0, and we have e to the power of r, that's about interest rate, t, that's about time. So the question they said double, that means future value equals to 2b0, that's about original amount of the money in here. Now we divide both sides by b0. Next, we put about natural log for the both sides. So this one we have RT. Now we want to find about T, so we need to divide both sides by R. So we have ln number 2 over R, and R, that's about 5%. And now we can get the final answer. We have 13.86 years. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.